Okay, now I am going to show you a latest interactive board. It's called a wireless interactive board. It's called Clarity Onfinity FB150. This is a model. This comes with the dongle and this is the electronic pen. So once if you connect the dongle here, this is a dongle. You have to connect it to the USB port. Once if you connect it to the USB port, there is an option called FB150 here. In the system you can see, which I have already loaded in my system. So once if you open this, it will ask for a board ID. So each and every board will have a ID number. So it is asking, it's 7550. You can see this 7550 here. This is the board number here. It will be displayed here in LED. Then you just say yes. There is a yes mark here. If you accept this yes, then this entire screen will become a wireless interactive board. See, the wireless interactive board means actually normally you don't have to stand near the screen at all or a board at all. So I can operate, see now you can see I am operating my entire computer from here. It's a wireless board. I can go to any button here. I can open any software from here. Go down, okay, say okay. The options are almost every options have same here. You have a toolbar. In the toolbar you have a pen option. You have a highlighter. See, if you want to highlight some area here, you can highlight. Okay. Presentation solution for business, education and professionals. So wherever you want to highlight, you can highlight. Again, if you want to write something, you can write FB150. You can change the colors. You can see here changing the colors. If you touch this, it will become red. You can see the pen color red, and again you can see the toolbar here. If you press this toolbar, it will become blue. So you can write whatever you want to write here, right? And I'll just show you option one by one. This is page up, page down. Suppose if you want to go to the next page, just press this. So next page is the benefit. Okay, and you have a virtual keyboard here. If you want to type something, you can type it or close. If you want to go to the next slide, you can go to the next slide. And if you want to end the show, end show, you can minimize. Okay, so while giving a presentation again, suppose if you want to go for a whiteboard mode, if you press this, this become a whiteboard. So here you can see the options. I'll just go one by one. This option, if you touch this, it will become a black pen. You can see black pen here. Okay, so whatever you write here, okay, this is in black. And you can see the next option here, the toolbar. If you touch this, this pen become blue. can write. Okay, and you can see here, this is a red color. If you touch this area, the pen color automatically changed to red. So you can write anything here. So this is page number 1, and this is, suppose you want any other special colors, you can select the color. Okay, and this is the thickness of the pen. Now you can see this is thickness, and I am selecting other thickness pen, and if you want to increase the thickness, you can increase it. You can increase, so you can increase the thickness of the pen. And this is an eraser. You can erase a particular line by line, stroke eraser, or suppose if you want to erase the full page, you have option here. I'll come to that. So, and this is again this, as I showed you, this is the highlighter. Okay, and once this is over, this is page number 1. This is called a new page. If you press this, you can see here page number 2. Okay, in this page number 2, I'll come back here again. You have a picture library. See, n number of pictures can be loaded into this library. See, for example, if you want any pictures to be loaded here, just press it, drag it down. Go to default library for biology, take biology picture here. And if you want to zoom a particular area here and discuss, take the magnifier, make it bigger, and you can discuss. And you have a spotlight option here. Spotlight option is nothing but, suppose if you want to show a particular area, other areas can be masked. You can discuss with this particular area. You can bring it down, small area. So this is called a spotlight. Here actually you can change the shape of this spotlight. If you want a square, you can do it. If you want a circular, you can make it circle, and you can bring it wherever you want, and you can close it. See, you have a recording option here. Can you just see this here? If you press this, this is called a recording option. Once I press this, so you will get a menu like this. If you start recording, see, now you can write anything here. Okay, then if you want to go back to the computer mode, you can go back. You can open any slide. You can bring it down. Okay, take this slide and you can see the benefits. Okay, now you take the highlighter. It's a portable one, easy to carry. Okay, and you can take a pen on this. Clarity FB150 wireless interactive whiteboard. Okay, and this board actually you can connect 128 boards in one system. So that is the advantage. So once it is over, you can take the zooming facility. It's a magnifier. Wherever you want to magnify, you can magnify the area. And if you want to close it down. Again, if you want to go to the whiteboard mode, you can go to the new page and you can go to the picture library again, take a number of pictures and you can discuss with the students And after all this, you can see a stop mark here. Just stop it and you can go to this place and play. Now you can see I am not using the pen at all. It started playing from here. So whatever the teacher is doing in the classroom for 45 minutes or 1 hour, it can be recorded and it can be saved in the system. So tomorrow somebody wants to see what was the lesson taken yesterday, they can see this page with the video for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, whatever it is. It will be recorded on the system and they can replay it n number of times. See, it's going to that page, taking the highlighter, highlighting it. So taking the pen, a Clarity FB150. So whatever thing we have recorded in the system, it is actually replaying. Okay, you can see here, it is moving, cursor is moving. So you can magnify the particular area. You bring the magnifier in a bigger size, close it. It's going back again to the pen mode, whiteboard mode, picture library. So opening biology. Okay. So like this, n number of times you can play it and replay it again. See, now you can see the 7422 is a number which it's a single user. As I told you, we can 128 boards can be used in one system with one dongle. So it will be useful for any important meeting or presentation. You don't have to pass the board. So whatever they want to discuss, you can see the icons here. So whatever the icons you are seeing here, it's same thing is available here. So if you touch that icon called RH, so whoever touches this icon, whatever they write, it will activate. So suppose if you buy 4 boards and 4 people is having that, you don't have to change the board. Whoever touches this icon, they will become the teacher. And one more advantage in this, you can use any ordinary paper. This is called a magic sheet and this is a plastic nib. So magic sheet is whatever you write, you will get this thing like this. If you remove this, it will go off. But you have an option of changing this pen tip into the ink, and I can use any ordinary paper, and that way I can keep it as a hard copy. I'll just show you how to change. It's very easy. Take the nib. See, remove this plastic nib. Okay, I have removed it, and this is the pen. I'm just connecting this pen nib, and it is ordinary A4 size sheet. I'm just keeping this, and whatever you write here, Clarity FB150 interactive board. So whatever you write, it will come here, and this you can keep it as a hard copy. It's an ordinary white paper. And the main advantage of this is, since it's a portable one, while using the lectern, while giving a presentation itself, see, suppose I'm using a lectern for a presentation, So I can operate the entire system from here itself. I'll just go here. If I want to go to the next page, I'll just touch it and go to the next page. So I don't have to depend on anyone for changing the next page. And it's very portable, and whatever I want to do, I can do it from here. Entire our speech with the video can be recorded and saved in the system. It's a very useful product. It's a wireless one. So if you have any doubts, you can please ask me. Thank you.